And I got this. It's for like easels for paint, and I got this. So cute. It's going to be getting started. We need some paint, some color paint, some big bottles of paint, and pictures, and a paintbrush. And we'll need this because so we can like balance all the paint. Always put it in bowls like this. Then it just wastes a bowl. So let's get started for today. Let's pour it in some paint. Only a little drop. Guys, I'm painting my tree green, but sometimes but I'm not an artist, so I'm not an artist. That's why I cannot do that. That's why I'm this painting myself a different color, but I'm not supposed to do different colors because only I can ask my mom to ask only my parents to paint my tree different color. Jingle bell, jingle on the way. On the farm, the mister now, mister in the hand. Jingle bell, jingle on the way. On the farm, on the farm. Red, whoop, plus yellow equals. It makes orange. I'm telling the truth. Look, Mila, yellow plus red equals orange. No, look.
I know it. I already saw it.
Yeah, I know. We got a new painter. Glitter. You guys can see it. See? Sparkling in it. So it is glitter, but it's not working straight. Let's make it work. If it just like rub it all the time, like work if I rub it. See, just comes a little. Here, so I had to clean that off. But guys, something else amazing. I had to paint because I am my sister's size, but I. Stuff like this is my house, like a gingerbread house. This is a candy cane. Gingerbread house. Whoa, this candy canes are popping. This is the green trees, and this is the sign. The snowman should be right over here, and the wood should be right over here. So it looks good now. This is all the stuff from Dollar Tree, and there's even plenty of them, even this Christmas tree. And I'm gonna stick it right over here. Oh, watching, subscribe to our video and hit the bell. Ring.